every artwork, be it a painting, a sculpture, or a suit. Has to pass a sometimes hard but fascinating path to become known and appreciated. It has to be discovered, valued, promoted, and wanted. Once is a special ecosystem that unites young fashion designers, opinion leaders, and common users. It's a thrilling path for young talents who are discovered, valued, and led by trendsetters, the leaders of fashion world, who help one become known and most wanted. It's a unique showcase of new names, new talents, and new concepts. For those who want to express themselves, become known and appreciated, those who want to discover and promote, and those who want to get the very thing they wanted or couldn't imagine it exists. Once, be the one to discover tomorrow's fashion.